Ram Ram. I want to share some of my experiences from this last week here at the ChakraInstitute in Los Angeles, Marina del Rey, which is a beautiful place surrounded by flowers and trees and the ocean and sunlight. I am grateful to have made the choice to come here and meet Shyamji after several years, to spend time with my teacher, to deepen my sadhana, for we could have meetings every day, and this was attuned to my level of practices and also my deepest heart desires, my spiritual desires or aspirations, how you could call it, from deep from within the heart, to be able to learn those things that I had to learn. I'm never done learning, but I'm grateful for the opportunity to spend time together with Shyamji and him be able to read my micro chakras again, to be physically there, to spend time with the tamburas and learn to chant from him, and to practice myself all those things all day long, which helped me to really get out of the doership that we are often in during our daily life. It was a week of stillness, inverting, listening, and just be around silence and akash, which creates the opportunity to raise your awareness to a higher level. We've done ceremonies together, and he taught me some ceremonies. I'm grateful for this meeting here and now, and I do recommend that to everybody, to take the opportunity and come spend time at this place with your teacher, and to grant yourself the opportunity to grow in your practices, in your spiritual practices.